another unboxing vlog. And so, just gonna show you what I got. Let's begin. It was my birthday. A couple of my friends did send me some gifts, which I'm very thankful. They always remember me. First is from my friend. She sent this. Color is very cute. Travel jewelry box. So you open this. So cute. You can put like your jewelry. I might bring it on vacation, though I don't have lots of jewelry. It looks small. Thank you. You know who you are. My sister-in-law got me a Jayco dress. This is like a summer dress. Next is a gift from my friend. I didn't open it, so this is a surprise. Cute card. She always give me a lot of these things. Like, it's just not one gift. It's like different kind of gifts. So it's really exciting. I love it. 2023 planner. We have the high-tech stuff right now, like we can like put stuff in our phones, reminders, calendar, everything, but sometimes it's still nice to write down. My to-do list, I still write it down. I really like the linen. It looks so chic. Ew. It's a Kate Spade pencil pouch. Pencil, a sharpener, a ruler, and an eraser. I don't have the last one. Choco melt. You put this one big thing in the mug. Inside the chocolate are marshmallows, so when it melts, there's marshmallows. Wow. My kids are gonna love this. Like all her gifts. Oh my god. I'll be pressured to give her gifts then. Her gifts to me are like so nice. Something from Victoria's Secret also, because you know I have the card and they gave me a birthday coupon. Pair of like long sleeve pajama. That's the colors like sage. Not gonna open it anymore. If you purchase something $50 above, then $25 is this one, including the bag. That's the bag. So inside it, lotion, body wash, body scrub, fragrance mist, and a hand cream. If you don't use it, you can just give each one as a gift. So that's a good buy. The Sunny's brand. It's originally from the Philippines. Products that became so popular. When I bought this, I think it is on sale. I think it's $30 for this three. It's a fave 3 and you can choose whatever colors you want. You just pick 3 of their products. The lip treat is Girl Crush in color, Fluff Matte, Girl Crush also, and the other one is Frolic. Sunny's Face, and they're available in US now. I bought some in Sephora too. So some of it are gifts, so I'm not gonna open it. Buy for myself, Kerastas hair oil. This I got Barbara Storm serum, eye lift and contour, and a Dior moisturizing cream. Also got a Sephora eyeliner. You know they always have the birthday gift when you're a member of the Beauty Insider. Beauty Insider is free. What I got is a Nest set. Yeah, it's a roller. Fragrance is indigo. So small. Seville orange have like the cutest candle. Smells so good. It's grapefruit. And put it at bedside. Birthday gift from Sephora. Talking about skincare, on Sunday Riley in a nice pouch. I used the A+, which has retinol, because you know we need that for the wrinkles, like 50% off. It's quite expensive. It's 50 ml. We have to take care of ourselves. They also sent some samples. A+, vitamin C, good genes, icing cream, cleanser, SPF, the sunblock, the eye cream. Don't really shop a whole lot now. I mean, like, not like before. Bought some top, really fancy. So this white one, sleeveless turtleneck. You buy summer top during fall or winter because they're on sale. I just found it really cute and it's not expensive. Look, it has a heel, but it's only like 1 inch, and I like it because I don't usually wear heels. Like a sling back. I bought also now I feel guilty. It just seems like I bought a lot of stuff, but really I don't shop that much anymore. Bought this in the Banana Republic, and it's like a evening long black dress, off shoulder sweater, just something different. One more thing I want to show you. This is not my shoes. My husband bought it for my son. Stan Smith, just so cute that I have to show you. He's in college right now, but he'll be back during Christmas break. He stepped on a chestnut. It poked right through, and so my husband bought him another Stan Smith, and this is just the cutest. I guess it's like a collab. The world needs love, and it's a Stan Smith. It has like some drawings. When it's Christmas time, I always order Christmas cards. Still from Photo Affections. Envelopes. That's our Christmas card. Now we've come to the last item. One that I have really thought a lot for a long time. It's not just a year. I always make myself suffer. So last year I was really thinking of buying it, but then I did not. Oh my god. It had a price increase. It's a big jump from what the price used to be. Really dismayed. Still, I was thinking this is gonna be what I'll be using hopefully forever. I'm not gonna change anymore. Like, this is the one, and if ever I use something else, I'm not gonna buy anything this expensive for this kind of item. So what I'm saying is, like, I want to make it more special, so I waited until I finally have 1,000 subscribers. So you help me buy this. Having a blog is not really like you just make videos. It's hard work. Editing and everything like that, it's not easy. But I'm still here. We'll probably continue to do it for a while. Without further ado, let's open. Okay. It's Prada paper. I feel like a kid. Alright, let's open. It is a wallet. I'm really into like big wallets, but for maybe 5 years now, or probably more than that, I really like smaller wallets, or like just card holder. Don't carry a lot of stuff. I don't carry cash most of the time. The wallet of my dreams. Fun fact, this is actually a men's wallet. There is one that I like in the women's, but I like this logo better, more of the classic. It's just the right size for me. It's a black wallet, a new pen. There's like card slots. You can put the bill. Authenticity certificate card. And
and there's the number at the back. Coin slot here. I thought that this material is kind of like stiff, but it's flexible.
Here you have it. I finally got it. Some stuff here that I got. Hey dude.
Are you recording right now?
Yeah. Just delivered.
Oh.
It's ubi crinkles that I ordered from my neighbor. He's in high school. I'm gonna eat these crinkles. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. If you are new to my channel, or if you happen to watch my channel, please support me. Like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. Alright, bye. I wanna try the ubi. Really good.